So in our previous video we showed by pressing Alt 1 to 8697 we can create a male restroom or toilet sign, and for creating a female restroom or toilet sign you must type like this 128698 Alt 128698. Okay, I will show you how to create that one. For doing this you must remember this Alt 128698. So open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that go to your computer keyboard and turn on the number lock. So if your number lock is off, you must turn this number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time you must type here 128698. After typing like that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that we have created this sign. So a sign for a female toilet or restroom, a symbol like this we have created in Microsoft Word by this method. So remember, this is the shortcut code Alt 128698 for creating this symbol in Microsoft Word. Of this video, see for more videos like this you can subscribe Engineer Cell Online. Thank you.